When you're injured or in an accident because of someone else's negligence, you can take legal action against that person or entity, but only in a certain amount of time. The statute of limitations restricts the amount of time you have to bring legal action, and each state has different time limitations for different areas of law. Attempting to take legal action after the statute of limitations has expired can result in your lawsuit being dismissed or the defense successfully winning the case. The statute of limitations also applies to pursuing financial compensation for an injury through legal means. The Arizona statute of limitations for personal injury is generally 2 years to bring legal action against someone for a personal injury or accident. Arizona law states that a case should be commenced and prosecuted within 2 years after the cause of action. However, there are some circumstances to consider when pursuing a personal injury case. The statute for personal injury lawsuits in Arizona states legal action must be taken within 2 years after the cause of action accrues. In general, the 2-year period begins when the incident, the accident, injury, or other event occurs. Although there are exceptions and ways of lengthening the 2-year period, the statute of limitations for personal injury in Arizona generally begins when the accident occurs. If you were injured in a car accident by a company's semi-truck, for example, you would have 2 years from that day to take legal action against the driver and the employer. Because there are certain cases that can influence when the 2-year period goes into effect, it's best to discuss your case with an attorney in order to learn more about when exactly your window of opportunity started. An accidental injury case can provide a spark of hope for someone who's had their life derailed by an accident injury. In Arizona, the statute of limitations on a personal injury case is 2 years, so it's important to act on a case as soon as possible in order to reduce the risk of the statute of limitations expiring. A personal injury attorney can help you get your case off the ground in time. At Jackson White, we understand how emotionally, physically, and financially taxing an injury can be, so we make every effort to help our clients shoulder the burden, and we have a strong success rate because of it. Our excellent success rate comes from the time and energy we put into properly investigating your accident, giving your case the resources it deserves, exploring all legal outcomes and resolutions, and working tirelessly to get you what you deserve. Call our personal injury team at 480-485-4482 to discuss your case today.